Capture One versus Lightroom. Which photo editor is better? Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without losing quality or control. Capture One and Lightroom both offer powerful tools but differ in key ways. Capture One and Lightroom are two of the most popular photo editing software options. The core difference lies in Capture One's focus on professional tethered shooting and color accuracy, while Lightroom excels with an intuitive interface and seamless cloud integration. Capture One is a professional-grade photo editor designed for photographers who demand precise color control and advanced tethered shooting capabilities. It works by offering powerful raw processing algorithms that preserve image quality while providing granular adjustments for color grading, exposure, and detail. Capture One's strengths include exceptional color fidelity, customizable workspace, and robust layer-based editing. It supports tethered capture, allowing photographers to shoot directly into the software for immediate review and adjustment. However, it has a steeper learning curve and higher price point compared to other editors. Its interface is tailored for professionals who want deep control over their images and workflow customization. Capture One is ideal for studio photographers, commercial shooters, and anyone focused on color-critical work who benefits from its tethering and detailed editing features. Lightroom is a versatile photo editor and organizer favored by hobbyists and professionals alike. It offers a user-friendly interface with powerful raw editing tools and an extensive library management system. Lightroom works by combining non-destructive editing with cloud syncing, enabling photographers to edit and access images across devices seamlessly. Its strengths include easy-to-use presets, AI-powered enhancements, and integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud ecosystem. Lightroom also supports batch processing and offers a wide range of export options. While it may lack some of Capture One's advanced tethering and color grading precision, Lightroom excels in speed and accessibility. It is perfect for photographers who want a straightforward yet powerful editing experience with cloud backup and mobile editing capabilities, making it suitable for travel, event, or casual photography. Capture One and Lightroom both deliver professional results but serve different needs. Capture One shines in studio environments where tethered shooting and precise color control are critical, offering detailed adjustments and custom workflows. Lightroom, on the other hand, provides a more accessible experience with strong organizational tools and cloud syncing, ideal for photographers who need flexibility and mobility. Capture One's interface is more complex and costly, while Lightroom balances ease of use with powerful features at a lower price. For photographers prioritizing color accuracy and tethered capture, Capture One is the better choice. For those seeking convenience, speed, and cross-device editing, Lightroom stands out. Each has trade-offs between depth of control and user-friendliness depending on your workflow. Capture One is recommended for professionals who require superior color grading, tethered shooting, and customizable workflows in a studio or commercial setting. Lightroom suits photographers looking for an intuitive, cloud-enabled editor that balances powerful features with ease of use. Its seamless device integration and efficient organization make it ideal for those who want quality edits on the go. Choose based on your editing style and workflow